Google Form users in the Gadsden Independent School District, it is time to rejoice. All of those updates that have been going out through Google Forms are now available to us. So, for example, here is my old form, and I had to hyperlink there. When I click on the text, guess what? I can link that link right there. So instead of having this ugly link here, I can copy. Oh, it's going to have me edit. Well, we can edit. I'll just copy from there. Okay. And I'm going to delete all of that. I click on Panorama, click on that insert link, add my link. Okay. So now check it out. When I do the preview, and I hope you notice that you can bold, italicize, underline, all of those wonderful features as well are now unlocked for us. So you can really differentiate your forms. You can change the text style. There's a lot of new things. So here it is. If you are unable to access Panorama, and I can just click on Panorama and it will take me to that website. All right, folks, I hope you are as excited about these updates as I am. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other video suggestions, please let me know.